Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Candy Crush Saga keeps crashing problem on your mobile device. If your Candy Crush Saga keeps crashing on its own whenever you are trying to play the game, then here are some common solutions that may help you fix the issue. The first thing you want to do is to check for app and system updates. First of all, go ahead and make sure to update your operating system. Ensure that your phone's operating system, whether you are using Android or iOS, is up to date. Once you're sure your operating system is up to date, go and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Candy Crush Saga. In the search result, open up the Candy Crush Saga app info page and look for an update button if available. Once you see the update button, it means that you have the latest version of Candy Crush Saga yet to be downloaded on your device. Tap on the update button and wait for the update to complete. Once you make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, you might be able to fix your issue. Sometimes your application may crash because of compatibility issues, so make sure that you keep your system and app up to date. Even after updating your Candy Crush Saga, if you're still facing the issue, then the next thing you can do is to free up some storage space on your device. Low storage can cause apps to crash, so ensure that your device has enough available spaces. Delete any unused application that has been piling up on your device's storage space. Press and hold the application you want to delete, and then you can tap on the delete app or the remove app button and make sure that you have available space on your device. A weak internet connection can also cause the apps to crash, so make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reset your router if needed. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.